I wanna love you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Again, I hope you're safe but very aware as we fight the good fight. Do not ignore, be aware, silence is just as bad. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I got these really cute space buns with a half twist out. I had already washed, conditioned, treated and trimmed my hair, and these twists are about 2 days old, and you know, I felt like getting cute today, so yeah. So I'm just taking out my scarf, you know, I wanted the video to start off looking slightly put together. Yeah, so I'm just taking out my twists and I'm going to add some oil, and the oil of choice today is the Ordinary Rosehip Seed Oil. And I'm just going to oil my scalp before I start taking my twists out. Because it's been 2 days, I really just want my scalp to be moisturized. And just giving my scalp a little massage, just making sure that the oil is well incorporated on my scalp. So I'm just gonna start taking out my twists. Bear in mind that these twists, I always twist my hair whenever I wash it, and I had no intentions of doing a twist out, and so some of them aren't as defined. Also, the front of my hair, the ends are way straighter than the back of my hair, so the curls are really defined at the back, but when it comes to the front, it's not that defined as I'm showing you right now. Yeah, so just keep in mind that I didn't intend on doing this hairstyle, but you know, I thought, okay, I have these twists in, why not make use of them? So here you can just see me separating the individual twists. Yeah, that's it really. I'm just separating them across my head, trying to make it a little bit more fuller. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to redefine that middle part, and then I'm going to work on the space buns. So here you can just see me positioning it just to make sure that wherever I want it, the hairs that I pull into the space bun is the ones I actually want to be in there. So now I'm just going to take this wide tooth rat tail comb just to comb out those curls that's in the roots of my hair, so that when I do the space buns it's smooth. So I'm just going to take this edge control. It's from Gummy. This is the Ultra Hold one. Let me tell you about this product. It is probably one of the best edge controls that I've ever used in my life. It doesn't leave your hair flaky, it leaves a really nice shine on your hair, and it actually holds it down. Like, it holds it down for the whole day, especially if you tie it down for like 10 minutes to let it dry a little bit. It literally holds it down. It's really good for like any hair type as well, so try it. And they have like other different ones. So they have like ones that make your hair shiny, ones that make your hair matte and stuff like that, and it smells really, really nice. I'm gonna take my edge brush and I'm just gonna be brushing my hair down. Like, do you see how smooth my hair is getting? I have probably 4B, 4C hair. Then I'm gonna take these little rubber bands. If you don't want to use rubber bands, you don't have to. You can just use hair scrunchies, but I use rubber bands because, you know, they're tiny and I cut them out of my hair so they don't actually break my hair or anything. Then I'm gonna take these hair clips from Wilko. Again, guys, do not sleep on Wilko. I get basically everything from Wilko because their quality is actually really nice and it's really affordable. So I'm just twisting my hair and then I'm just gonna wrap my hair around itself. You can play with this until you get it to the desired shape that you want, and that's really all you do. Simple. And that's one done, and we're gonna go straight to the second one. So this part I'm just gonna speed it all up because it's the exact same way as how you did the first one. So I'm just adjusting and, you know, playing with my hair just to see how I want it to be. And then I take that same rat tail comb and I just slightly pull the hair up in the middle just to get rid of that part that you may see. So we're gonna move straight onto edges, so I take a little bit of that same edge control and I just put it on my hairline. For this style I'm not gonna do very dramatic edges. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my baby hairs and just, you know, play around with it and just position it how I like it and stuff. So this is really up to you. It just depends on how you like to do your baby hairs, really. So usually I would do my hair first and then my makeup, but for the purpose of this video I did my makeup first. So I hate when my makeup is shown on my baby hairs, and that can tend to happen if you do your makeup before your hair. So I took a makeup wipe just to remove that excess makeup, but I am going to reapply, but only using powder. So what's the point of using edge control if we don't tie down our hair? So I'm just going to use this bandana just to tie down my edges, and I kept it on for about 10 minutes just to make sure that it will definitely last the whole day. So I'm then going to take this argan oil by Cream of Nature, and it's a leave-in conditioning spray just for added moisture, added hydration, and it also allows my curls to be a bit more free, a bit more loose. And we're done. The style is done. It took me probably 15 minutes to do the whole thing, so it's like really quick, really easy. And I'm just showing you the back of my hair, and I'm also going to show you my shrinkage, because shrinkage is real. But I don't mind it. I like shrinkage. It just means that my hair is healthy, and that's okay. That's alright. But yeah, I'm just showing you the length of my hair. I did trim it because it needed a trim. And that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and leave a like, leave a good comment, and also remember to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night.